In this easy dropshipping tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online with private label products without having to stock any inventory and without having to do any shipping yourself. I'm also going to give you my opinion on the top 2 private label products that you can start selling in 2025 to really cash in. And when I first got into this space, I was actually shipping products myself. And I very quickly realized that that is a horrible business model unless you want a warehouse and unless you want to hire staff to do tons of shipping for you. So what I was doing was I had tons of boxes like this in my house. I had a ton of unlabeled products and I had a ton of labels that I was putting on myself, packing the product and shipping that directly to my customer. So I had a mess all over my house and it was taking me so much time. I was spending all of my time packing and shipping orders instead of doing what I should be doing, which is actually spending time marketing my business. And unless you've done this yourself, you really have no idea how much of a pain it is, how much inventory you have to stock. And if the inventory doesn't sell, then you're sitting on products. Sometimes if they are perishable products, they go bad before you even sell them. I would be putting labels on and the labels would be all crooked and then I could no longer ship that product, right? Just a whole big headache in itself. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, how to create your own brand, and how to do it so that you have a hands-free dropshipping business. So this is now possible with print on demand. And to me, this is super, super exciting because at one point, print on demand was mostly just t-shirts, mugs, blankets, sweatshirts, those kind of things. And now print on demand is expanding, right? They really just barely scratched the surface before, and now they're getting more into personal care products, supplements, and even coffee. So let's go ahead and pop over to the website that I'm using to do this called Printify. I'm going to show you all of the different products that they have available now that are brand new to the marketplace for print on demand. I'm going to show you how to create a product and how to set up a store that's not Shopify, it's not Etsy, not TikTok shop, or even Amazon, right? This is called the Printify pop-up shop, and you can set this up very, very easily right on the Printify platform, and then you can go on to potentially sell these products to a theme page audience on Facebook, like I'm teaching in some of my other videos. So if that sounds exciting to you, please stick around. Let's pop over to Printify and get started. We are over on Printify, and at the top here you can see the catalog, and this is their brand new section, Food, Health, and Beauty. And what I absolutely love about this is with these particular products, once customers like them, they will need to come back for them month after month after month, right? These are products that need to be replenished, and once they love them, they're going to continue coming back to you. So let's just take a look at some of these products. First, we will click on Beauty, and you can scroll through here and see all the things that they have. These are currently sorted by popularity. So we have Moisture Balance Gel, Calming Toner, Hydrating Toner, Gentle Face and Body Cleanser, Daily Moisturizer, Hyaluronic Acid, so many great beauty products, and all of these are paraben free, which is really, really important. So we'll go back under the catalog again and take a look at the coffee, what coffee? Oh my gosh, this is super exciting to me. Coffee is one of those things that people are very, very fanatical about. And if you guys have been tuning into my other videos about Facebook theme pages and how viral those are going right now, then you will be as excited as I am about this product because you could very easily create a coffee theme Facebook page and sell this product. So there's all different types of coffees here that you can brand to yourself and drop ship to your customers without stocking any inventory. So if we go back over here, there's also a category for supplements. So we have collagen peptides, hair vitamin gummies, We have probiotics, magnesium, digestive enzymes, multivitamins, omega-3 fish oils, so many different supplements. And this is just mind-blowing that Printify now does this, because I've been in the private label space for a very long time. Some of you guys may not know that I actually had my own salon prior to coming online and being an internet marketer, and I had to do so much work in order to create, sell, package, and ship my own products. So if I had Printify back then, that would have been absolutely incredible. Two products that I would recommend that I think will be so great for 2025 and beyond is for sure coffee. And also under the beauty section, we have hair growth tonic. This is a product that continues to grow in popularity year after year after year. And you can view that on Google Trends. So I'm going to go ahead and design one of these for you just so you can get an example of how you could create this product and sell it. So let's go ahead and click on this here. So there's all of the details about the product here, and then you can see where you can put your own label right there, which of course you will design this in Canva. I'm going to do that with you in just a moment. And then Printify's company, they're teamed up here with Formula Labs. They're going to print your design on the label and package it and ship it directly to your customer. So here's an example of what it would look like potentially with your own label on it. And now it's important to note that you cannot sell these particular products on Etsy, TikTok Shop, or Walmart, okay? And that's why I'm going to show you in this video how to set up a Printify pop-up shop and how to get your own traffic or visitors, customers with a Facebook theme page. So this product is $19 at your price. If you have the Printify Premium membership, it's going to be $14. Shipping cost is $5.49. And I see products like this selling for $50, $60 or more, right? That's all going to come down to your branding and the luxury feel that you give to your product and your brand. So you can just scroll through here and read all of the key features, and then you can go ahead and start designing. So this is where you're going to put your label that you create, and it tells you the print size right here. So 2,770 by 2,038 pixels. So we're going to create a custom template in Canva that is that size. So inside of Canva, you'll click up here at the top right, create a design, and then you're going to type in those custom dimensions right there, which I've already done. So let's now in a brand new template. And then what I do is I just like to go to Google and get a little bit of inspiration from another product. Of course, you don't want to directly copy another product because that can be brand confusion. But I'm just going to go ahead and change the color of the background here. So I'm going to click on this color wheel right here and just paste in a color code for a very light soft pink. I'm going to go ahead and add some text here, and I already pre-designed something just so that I could move a little bit quicker here. So you can change the font right here at the top. You can change the colors of the font right there, and then just go ahead and fill out your label. So this is what my finished label looks like. You know, you could just put your brand name on it and some very simple wording, and then you're going to click share, download, and you're just going to go ahead and download this, and then we're going to take it over to Printify and put it on our product. Right here, you can upload your design. So there we go, we have it all added and it fits very nicely, and you can see that it goes all the way out to the edges here so that the bleed area is even covered, and then we can click preview right here to see what this will look like. All right, so that looks pretty good. Now, if I was making this brand for myself, I would probably spend a little bit more time on the logo. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you could also even hire someone on Fiverr to create your label for you. So then you go ahead and save your product. Now, this is where you will go ahead and fill out all of the details. Printify went ahead and put in a lot of the details there for you, and then you can actually set your price. So you can edit the price to whatever you would like. You can do it by profit margin, or you can do it by the actual price. They went ahead and set it to a 40% profit margin. So your profit right here would be $12.76 per product sold if you charge $31.90. And then this is where you can go ahead and connect a store. And as I said, I'm going to show you the Printify pop-up shop so you can avoid things like Etsy, Amazon, TikTok Shop, all the different platforms that can sometimes be a little more challenging to set up. The one negative is that you have to get your own visitors. Like places like TikTok Shop, Amazon, Etsy, they have a marketplace with lots and lots of buyers. So you have to be able to get your own eyeballs to your offer. But I have been sharing with you guys on this channel about viral theme pages, and you can get unlimited amounts of visitors doing that, lots and lots of eyeballs onto your offer. That is going to be very, very scalable, even more so than Etsy. All right, so on the home page of Printify, you can scroll all the way to the bottom where it says integrations, and you can click on Printify pop-up store. And you can launch your store 100% free right here. You can read through all of the details, launch your store in minutes, zero upfront costs, make more profit, and Printify is going to handle the delivery with their global network. So this is very, very simple to set up, and you can read through all of these details over here. So let's click on Launch My Store. This is going to take you through the full setup, so you would just go ahead and name your store, your country of residence, and then hit next. You can choose your theme. I'm just going to go with the white one and click Launch Pop-Up Store. I have my very first product right here as a template. It is unpublished, and we can click on Visit Store. And this is where you're going to be able to add all of your products and a logo as well. So I'm just going to click right here and click Publish, and we're going to keep the individual product details and click Confirm. So that now shows published. So let's go back over to the store again, and there is the product listed for sale right there. So a customer can click on that, add that to the cart, and check out very, very easily. Now there is a whole section on Printify with lots of details about the pop-up store, so make sure that you read through that. And if you like this topic and want more videos on the pop-up store or Printify's new product line, please drop me a comment down below and let me know. So now I'm over on Facebook, and here's an example of a hair theme page that you could set up. You could model something like this. So they're showing a lot of different hairstyles on here, and you can see that these posts are getting a ton of engagement. Like this one has 1,800 likes, 49 shares, and they're literally just showing different hairstyle ideas. And so then you could link the page to your Printify pop-up shop for your hair growth serum. Theme pages like this on Facebook is one of the most simple ways to make money online right now, and with Printify's new done-for-you products, it has just gotten 10 times better. So with a page like this, you could earn with the Facebook monetization program and with your print-on-demand dropshipping products. That is your own brands. You're also creating your own asset that can eventually be a brand that you could go on to sell. So there's lots of income potential with a business like this. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this very simple dropshipping tutorial. Now, please remember, anything worth doing takes time. You must commit yourself to the journey, right? It is going to take some work, and it's going to take some perseverance and some positive mindset to get you to your goal, but it will be so worth it. I'm here to support you on that journey. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can get some more tips and tricks along the way to maximize your income with print on demand, with theme pages, and all the fun things online. Please drop me a comment down below and let me know what types of videos that you would like to see moving forward. And if you have any questions for me, I would be happy to answer those in future videos. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you back soon.